Need to. Next time if I get a community guidelines check, I'm gonna appeal and which means I'm gonna remove it. Whoa! No! Don't lose! Don't lose the game! Don't lose the game! Yep. I might start live streaming later. Yep. And as soon I'm gonna might start live streaming. I'm going to change my channel name, into Daniel Gomez 2004. My real name is Raymond. Yeah. Remember, guys? Well, I don't know if you guys remember my old channel called Raymond Gomez 2010-11. That channel is terminated. That sucks because one of my videos on that channel had 1,000 views on it, and it had 40,000 and something views on that channel. Had a lot of views, and that also sucks because I had 4,000 videos. Wait, I just talked about